Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this really long period? Peruse this video to be aware. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential, with the sort of distinction rising. Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prevalence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash's dynamic and resolute worth wins around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. Dogecoin's specialized investigation, regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the digital currency space, and that is the point at which our cryptographic money cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $9,843,449,946 and is presently the 9th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 7 cents, with an exchanging volume of $390,538,221. The ongoing inventory is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the complete circling supply is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. In any case, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a respectable recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost destitute the quick obstruction with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the critical opposition of 9 cents yet fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized markers recommend that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and for sure, financial backer feelings seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the examination, Doge's cost will support on the off chance that the hypotheses work out. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 15 cents. While the typical cost may be 11 cents, and the base cost may be 7 cents in view of our cost expectation, Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024. According to the Doge Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a nice rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen altogether continuously 2030. Dogecoin is preparing to break out above $1. My forecast is that #Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will naturally acquaint north of 200 million clients with #Doge, giving them motivation to involve it and increasing the value of the digital money all in all. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from genuine government-issued money. This extraordinary trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary forms. With truckload of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an extensive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. In any case, our venture exhortation is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As indicated by our cost expectation and breaking down past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Yet, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Doge is a wise speculation, according to our Dogecoin value forecast and late confidence after Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter. The most recent Dogecoin news recommends that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin digital currency generally emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Notwithstanding, financial backers are mentioned to do their own examination to stay away from the high gamble engaged with Dogecoin. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As per our Dogecoin cost expectation, the Doge costs might arrive at a limit of 71 cents by 2030, while the base and normal costs might be 55 cents and 63 cents. Separately, in any case, your speculation choices ought to be founded on your objectives. Where to purchase Dogecoin? To purchase Dogecoin, you have numerous choices like Dogecoin wallets, PayPal, and digital money trades like Binance.